Imagine breaking down on a dark road with no signal and no help in sight. The difference between a minor inconvenience and a real emergency often comes down to one thing: what's in your trunk? Here are the 12 items every car emergency kit should have, and the last one is the one most drivers forget. 12. A first aid kit. Even a basic kit with bandages, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers can make a huge difference while you wait for help. 11. A flashlight with spare batteries. Your phone's light is useful, but a dedicated flashlight keeps both hands free and won't drain your phone. 10. Jumper cables or a jump starter. A dead battery is one of the most common roadside problems, and having your own solution can save hours of waiting. 9. Drinking water. Keep sealed bottles in the car. They're invaluable if you're stranded in hot weather or delayed for a long time. 8. A tire pressure gauge and portable inflator. Many punctures and slow leaks can be managed long enough to reach a safe repair shop. 7. A reflective warning triangle. Placing it well behind your vehicle alerts other drivers and dramatically improves safety at night. 6. Basic tools and work gloves. A screwdriver, pliers, and gloves let you handle simple fixes without injuring your hands. 5. A phone charger or power bank. In an emergency, communication is everything. Don't let a dead phone become a second problem. 4. A blanket. It provides warmth in winter, comfort while waiting, and can even protect someone in shock. 3. Non-perishable snacks. Energy bars or nuts can keep you alert and comfortable during an unexpected delay. 2. A rain poncho or spare clothes. Changing a tire in wet weather is hard enough without being soaked to the skin. And the number one item: an up-to-date list of emergency contacts and important information. Phones fail, batteries die, and signal disappears. A simple card with key numbers can be a lifesaver. Pack these 12 items once, and you'll be ready for situations most drivers never see coming. The best emergency kit is the one you prepare before you need it.